Motivated trial of 10 Belarusian students will begin. Victoria Grankovskaya, Anastasia Bulybinka, Maria Kalenik, Ksenia Saromolot, Kasia Butsko, Yana Arabeyka, Ihor Kanetsky, Gleb Fitzner, Ilya Trachtenberg and Tatiana Ikelchik will go on trial in Belarus. A trial will also take place over Svetlana Tikhanovskaya's representative for youth and students, Alana Gibremariam, and teacher Olga Flatchenkova. All of them are accused of illegally organizing students' protests and strikes. Lukashenko's regime is targeting excellent students, human rights defenders, activists, and good people. The Belarusian Students' Association calls on all concerned people abroad to come out and support students with the demonstrations of solidarity at the embassies and consulates of Belarus. Bring themed posters and banners, take pictures and demonstrate that you won't tolerate Lukashenko's regime fabricating cases against students and human rights activists. The information about individual cases will be in the video description on YouTube channel Bell Diaspora.